Hello everyone and welcome back to Real English Practice. I am Emma, and today we are going to practice simple English for real life. This lesson is for beginner and intermediate learners who want useful English they can use every day. Real-life English is not always long or difficult. It is often short, clear, polite, and direct. You need English for home, work, shopping, travel, phone calls, problems, feelings, and small conversations. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Today, we will learn practical sentences that can help you speak in real situations. Simple English is powerful because people understand it quickly. Many learners think they must use advanced words to sound good, but in real life, clear English is better than complicated English. If you are lost, you do not need a perfect sentence. You can say, "Excuse me, I need help." If you do not understand, you can say, "Could you repeat that, please?" If you want to buy something, you can say, "How much is this?" These sentences are simple, but they solve real problems. Useful English changes your daily life. Let us begin with greetings. A greeting starts a conversation. You can say, "Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, nice to see you, nice to meet you, how are you? How is your day going?" If someone asks, "How are you?" do not answer only good every time. You can say, "I am doing well, thank you, I am okay, but a little tired. I am busy today, but I am fine." Then ask back, "How about you?" This makes the conversation friendly. Small talk is another real-life skill. Small talk means simple conversation about light topics. You can talk about the weather, the day, work, school, food, or plans. Say, "It is very hot today. It is cold this morning. The weather is nice. This place is busy. How was your weekend? Do you have any plans today?" These sentences help you connect with people. Small talk may feel small, but it makes social life easier. It helps you move from silence to conversation. Now, let us practice asking for help. In real life, you often need help. You can say, "Could you help me, please? I need help with this. I am not sure what to do. Can you show me? Can you explain this? I have a question." These sentences are polite and clear. If you ask for help calmly, people are more likely to understand you. Do not feel embarrassed. Everyone needs help sometimes. Asking for help is not weak, it is smart communication. Let us practice when you do not understand. Say, "I do not understand. Could you repeat that, please? Could you speak more slowly? Could you say that another way? What does this word mean?" I am still learning English. These sentences are very important for learners. Many learners pretend they understand because they feel shy. Pretend means act like something is true when it is not. But pretending can create bigger problems. It is better to ask again. A confident learner asks for clarification. Clarification means making something clear. In real conversations, even native speakers ask for clarification. They say, "Sorry, what do you mean? Can you explain that? Did you mean today or tomorrow?" So, you can do the same. If someone gives you instructions and you are confused, say, "Let me check. Do you mean I should call tomorrow? Or, do you mean the meeting is at 9? This shows that you are careful. It also helps avoid mistakes. Now let us talk about English at home. Home English is about daily actions. You can say, "I am making tea. I am cooking dinner. I am cleaning my room. I am washing the dishes. I am looking for my keys. My phone is on the table. Can you pass me the salt? Please turn off the light. I need to rest." These sentences are simple, but they are real. Practice them while doing the actions. Your home can become your English classroom. At home, you can also describe feelings. Say, "I am tired. I feel sleepy. I feel better now. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am worried. I am relaxed. I need a break. I need some quiet time." Feelings are part of real-life English. If someone asks, "Are you okay?" you can say, "I am okay, just tired," or "I am a little stressed, but I will be fine." You do not need to explain everything. One clear feeling can be enough. Now let us talk about English in a shop. Shopping English is useful. Say, Excuse me, how much is this? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? I am looking for a jacket. I am just looking, thank you. Can I try it on? Can I pay by card? Could I get a receipt, please? This is too expensive. I will think about it. These sentences help you buy things, ask questions, and stay polite. Let us practice a simple shop situation. A worker says, "Can I help you?" You say, "Yes, I am looking for a phone charger." The worker says, "What type do you need?" You say, "I am not sure." "Could you help me check?" The worker shows you one. You say, "How much is this?" Then you say, "Okay, I will take it. Can I pay by card?" This is simple English, but it works. Real-life English should work. Now let us talk about restaurant English. You can say, "Table for one, please. Table for two, please. Could I see the menu? I would like water, please. I would like this one. What do you recommend? Is this spicy? Can I have the bill, please? The food was delicious, thank you. If something is wrong, say, "Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered." Or, "Could you warm this up, please?" Always use a polite tone. At a restaurant, you may hear questions. For here or to go? Anything to drink? Are you ready to order? How is everything? You can answer simply. For here, please. To go, please. Water, please? Yes, I am ready. Everything is good, thank you. These answers are short and natural. You do not need long sentences. In many service situations, short, polite English is perfect. Listen for the question, answer with a clear phrase. Smile with your voice. Now, let us talk about travel and directions. If you are in a new place, you can say, "Excuse me, where is the bus stop? How do I get to the train station? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? Which bus goes downtown? What time does the bus leave? I think I am lost. Could you help me?" Directions can be stressful, so keep your English simple. Start with "Excuse me, ask one question," and listen carefully. If you do not understand the directions, ask again. Say, "Sorry, could you repeat that? Do I turn left or right? Is it near the bank? How many minutes does it take?" These questions help you get clearer information. You can also repeat what you heard. So, "I go straight and turn left, right?" This is a good habit. It checks understanding. In real life, checking is better than guessing. Guessing can make you more lost. Now let us talk about phone calls. Phone English can be difficult because you cannot see the other person's face. Use short sentences. "Hello, this is Emma. I am calling about my appointment." "I am calling about my order. Can you hear me? I cannot hear you clearly. The connection is bad. Could you repeat that, please? Can I call you back? I will call you later. Thank you for calling." These sentences help you control the phone conversation. Before making a phone call in English, prepare 3 things. Write why you are calling. Write your important information, like name, time, or order number. Write one rescue phrase, like, "Could you repeat that, please?" Preparation reduces fear. Reduce means make something smaller. If you know your first sentence, the call becomes easier. Start with, "Hello, my name is Emma, and I am calling about." Then say the reason. Simple structure creates confidence. Now let us talk about work English. At work, simple English should be polite and professional. Say, "Good morning. Do you have a minute? I have a quick question. I am working on this task. I will finish it today. I need more time. Could you check this, please? Thank you for your help. I will send it soon. The meeting starts at 10. These sentences are common in many workplaces. Professional English does not always need difficult vocabulary. It needs clarity and respect. If you make a mistake at work, use calm English. Say, "I am sorry for the mistake. I will fix it. Thank you for telling me. Let me check. I will try again. I need more information. Could you explain the problem?" These sentences show responsibility. Responsibility means you take your work seriously. Do not panic. Mistakes happen. Clear English helps you solve them. It also helps other people trust you because you communicate honestly. Now, let us talk about school or study English. You can say, "I have a question. I do not understand this part. Could you explain it again? When is the homework due? Do we have a test tomorrow? Can I borrow a pen? I forgot my notebook. I need more practice. I am studying for an exam. These sentences are useful for students. If you study online, you can also say, I cannot open the file. The video is not working. Could you send the link again? Now let us talk about problem English. Real life has problems. Your phone stops working. The internet is slow. You lose your keys. You are late. You receive the wrong order. You cannot find a place. Learn simple problem sentences. I have a problem. It is not working. I lost my keys. I forgot my password. I am running late. I think there is a mistake. This is not what I ordered. Could you help me fix this? Problem English gives you power. After you explain the problem, add one detail. I have a problem with my phone. It is not charging. I have a problem with my internet. It is very slow. I am running late because I missed the bus. I think there is a mistake on the bill. Could you check it, please? Details help people understand. Do not give too many details at first. Give the main problem, then one important detail. This makes your English clear. Now, let us talk about making plans. You can say, are you free tomorrow? Do you want to meet this weekend? What time works for you? 3 o'clock works for me. That sounds good. Let's meet at the cafe. I cannot come today. Can we meet another day? How about Friday? Maybe next time. These sentences are useful with friends, coworkers, and classmates. Plans are part of daily life, so planning English is very important. Now, let us talk about opinions. In real life, people ask what you think. You can say, I think it is a good idea. I think it is useful. In my opinion, this is important. I agree with you. I am not sure I agree. I prefer this one. I like this plan. I do not like this plan. That makes sense. These sentences help you join conversations. You do not need a long opinion. Start with I think, then add one reason. Let us practice giving a reason. I think this is useful because it saves time. I like this plan because it is simple. I prefer this one because it is cheaper. I agree with you because daily practice is important. Because makes your opinion stronger. Without because, your answer may feel short. With because, you explain your thinking. This is a useful step for intermediate learners. Short opinion plus reason equals better speaking. Now, let us talk about saying sorry. Apology English is important. Say, I am sorry. I am sorry I am late. I am sorry for the mistake. I did not mean that. Let me say that again. I will be more careful. Thank you for understanding. If someone says sorry to you, respond kindly. Say, that is okay. No problem. Do not worry about it. It happens. These sentences help keep peace. Peaceful communication is very important in real life. Now, let us talk about saying thank you. Say, thank you, thanks, thank you very much. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Appreciate means feel thankful for something. If someone helps you at work, say, thank you for your help, I really appreciate it. If someone gives you information, say, thank you for letting me know. If someone waits for you, say, thank you for waiting. Thank you phrases make your English warmer and more respectful. Now, imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel studies English every night, but he is nervous in real life. He understands many lessons, but when he goes outside, he forgets words. One day, he decides to learn simple English for real life. He writes 5 groups in his notebook: shop, restaurant, directions, work, and problems. Under each group, he writes 5 useful sentences. He repeats them every morning. He does not try to memorize everything at once. He starts with real situations. The next day, Daniel goes to a shop. The worker asks, "Can I help you?" Daniel feels nervous, but he remembers one sentence. He says, "I am looking for a notebook." The worker shows him some notebooks. Daniel asks, "How much is this?" Then he says, "I will take it. Can I pay by card?" The conversation is short, but successful. Daniel feels proud because simple English helped him in a real situation. Later that week, Daniel has a problem with his internet. In the past, he would not call because phone English scared him. This time he prepares. He writes, "Hello, my name is Daniel. I have a problem with my internet. It is very slow. Could you help me?" Then he calls. The worker speaks fast. Daniel says, "Could you repeat that, please?" The worker repeats more slowly. Daniel understands enough. He learns that real-life English is not about perfect speaking. It is about solving real needs. After 1 month, Daniel's notebook becomes his real-life English guide. He has sentences for shopping, food, work, problems, phone calls, feelings, and plans. He reviews them often. He practices with small role plays at home. He says both sides of a conversation. Worker, "Can I help you?" Daniel, "Yes, I am looking for a charger." Server, "Are you ready to order?" Daniel, "Yes, I would like tea, please." This practice makes real conversations easier. You can practice like Daniel. Choose 3 real situations from your life, maybe shopping, work, and phone calls. Write 5 sentences for each situation. Repeat them every day for 1 week. Then use 1 sentence in real life if you can. If you cannot use it outside, practice at home. Speak both sides of a conversation. This is called role play. Role play means practicing a situation before it happens. It prepares your mouth and your mind. Let us build your simple English sentence bank. "Hello, how are you? Could you help me, please? I do not understand. Could you repeat that? How much is this? I would like this, please. Where is the bus stop? I am calling about my appointment. I have a problem. It is not working. I am sorry for the mistake. Thank you for your help. That sounds good. I think this is useful. I need more time. Keep these sentences ready." Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions aloud. What do you say when you need help? What do you say when you do not understand? What do you say in a shop? What do you say at a restaurant? What do you say when you are lost? What do you say when you have a problem? What do you say when you need more time? Pause when you need time. You can answer simply. I say, "Could you help me, please?" I say, "Could you repeat that, please?" One more helpful practice is the real-life sentence challenge. For 7 days, choose 1 situation each day. Day 1, greetings. Day 2, shopping. Day 3, restaurant. Day 4, directions. Day 5, phone calls. Day 6, work or study. Day 7, problems and solutions. Each day, repeat 5 sentences for that situation. Then make a mini conversation. For example, in shopping practice, say, "Can I help you?" "Yes, I am looking for a bag." "How much is this?" "Can I pay by card?" "Thank you." Simple practice becomes real skill. Remember, simple English is not baby English. Simple English is clear English. Clear English can help you buy food, ask for directions, explain a problem, make plans, say sorry, say thank you, and connect with people. If you can handle these daily situations, your confidence grows. Later, you can add more vocabulary and longer sentences, but the foundation is simple English. Foundation means the strong base. Build your base well. Before we finish, remember this. Simple English for real life means learning sentences you can use immediately. Start with greetings, help phrases, clarification, home English, shop English, restaurant English, directions, phone calls, work, study, problems, plans, opinions, apologies, and thanks. Thank you for listening to Real English Practice. I am Emma. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep using simple English in real life. Your English voice is growing, 1 useful sentence, 1 real situation, and 1 conversation at a time.